Hey loves, in today's video I will be trying out a few new products by LA Colors and using them to create a super easy fall makeup look. I am highlighting my brow bone with the LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow in French Vanilla using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am applying another LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow, this time in the shade Forbidden, directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using my Ruby Kisses small eyeshadow brush. I am blending those shadows together with the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. I am using my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush to apply this dark shimmery blue eyeshadow to the outer and inner thirds of my lid. This shadow came in a set, so it does not have a name. The first product in today's haul is the LA Colors Shimmer Eye Palette in Beam Me Up. I purchased this palette from Family Dollar for $1. With my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush, I am applying this copper shade to the center of my lid. For my eyeliner, I used the Nicka Microfine Artliner in black as a base for the Nicka eye pencil in brown. I am trying out their Extreme Volume Mascara, and while I do like the applicator, I just felt like it took a lot to build this mascara up, but since I'm wearing falsies, it doesn't matter. I completely forgot to do this before applying my liner and mascara, so now I am highlighting my brow bone with this light gold shadow using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. The second item in my LA Colors haul are their 3D Faux Mink Lashes in the style Andie. I purchased these lashes from Walmart for $4. I am bringing that matte eyeshadow in Forbidden down to my lower lash line with my AOA E115. On my waterline, I am applying their Metal Eye Pencil Shadow Plus Liner in the shade Atomic. With my Basic Beauty small eyeshadow brush, I am applying the copper shade on my lid onto that liner. Using that same brush, I am now applying this dark gold to the inner corner of my eye. I am applying their blush in Mink using my e.l.f. Essential Blush Brush. I am applying their Beauty in Bloom highlighter in Quartz using my AOA F19. The final item in my LA Colors makeup haul are their new Trendsetter lip color lipsticks. I picked these up from Dollar Tree for $1 each. I am applying the shade Magical. It is a dark berry red color and I thought it really complemented the eyes. I love how this makeup look turned out. Let me know what you think down below in a comment. My favorite product in today's haul definitely has to be the Shimmer Eye Palette. The colors are so pigmented and soft. It's a great value for $1. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description box down below, and until next time, bye loves!